Hello, my name is Yad Sarkod and today I'll be talking about photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process in which plants make their own food by three main factors and some reactions, which contain chemical reactions that will capture the sunlight that converts sunlight energy into chemical reactions to feed the plants, and it affects hugely on the biological system. Photosynthesis has three major events and factors, such as sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Sunlight is converted into chemical energy. Water H2O is split into oxygen, and carbon dioxide is fixed into sugars molecules and glucose, let's say. So let's explain. The sun will be converted by the chloroplast into chemical energy, and it will be captured by a green pigment inside the chloroplast, which gives the plant's color, and it will capture the sunlight energy. And after that, we have CO2 and water, which CO2 will become oxygen inside the process, and we need water to help the process. And CO2 and water will enter to the plant by a structure called stomata. And after that, it will release, and the oxygen and water will exit afterwards. So we have the photosynthesis reaction. We have 6 carbon dioxide and 12 hydrogen oxide molecules and sunlight, which will make 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen, plus 6 hydrogen, 6 water molecules, let's say, and 6 oxygen molecules. After that, we have photosynthesis, another part. Let's say we will divide this. Sunshine plays a bigger role in our lives than you may think. All the foods we eat and the fossil fuels we burn are products of photosynthesis. After that, we have plants turn solar energy into food, which is captured by the structures that I said before, which is nice of them because animals can't eat the sunshine. They need something to feed on, and that thing is plants. How can an animal feed on a plant if the plant can't grow? When animals eat plants and other animals, that original solar energy is passed along the food chain, or the food pyramid, we can say. We have glucose, which is a product that is made inside the process of photosynthesis, which can feed the plant, and which can feed the animals afterward in the pyramid process. Okay, so glucose is a sugar, and it's a molecular structure, looks like this, which we can see on the board or on the screen. During photosynthesis, plants produce glucose molecules when they convert light energy into chemical energy. The chemical energy is stored in the bonds of glucose. Plants produce sugars as a source of food. However, they produce way more than they need to survive. This is a great benefit for all the species that depend on glucose for energy. Plants also use the glucose when they produce for energy. When plants produce excess glucose, they store it in their leaves. When animals digest plants, they are breaking down the glucose bonds to release stored energy to power their bodies. All biological energy comes from glucose. And we have some photosynthesis is carried out by some bacteria and plants and types of algae and different structures, such as certain bacteria, which can be researched on, and if you want. Plants, most algae, we have different types of algae. We have cyanobacteria, phytoplanktons, and way more. Alright, these organisms are known as photoautotrophs, or producers, we can say, meaning they make all their own food by photosynthesis. Consumers such as herbivores and carnivores depend on the products of photosynthesis that producers make to live. So photosynthesis is a great process that we need in our lives, because all our lives depends on oxygen and plants, and if the food pyramid is destroyed somehow, we won't be able to live, or we won't be able to make food, or we won't be able to get our food with the we get from animals, and the animals will need to get it from plants. If there is no photosynthesis, plants can't grow their own food, and if they can't make their own food, no one can give them food. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you. See you.